Ever found yourself struggling to keep up with the latest fashion trends? Or maybe you've had a fashion emergency and not known what to do. If you've ever been in such a situation, you're not alone. Today, we uncover some fantastic fashion hacks that will solve your common fashion problems. Hack 1. The lipstick stain. It happens to the best of us. A beautiful day marred by a nasty lipstick stain. No sweat, here's a quick fix. Firstly, grab a piece of white bread and remove the crust. Then bunch it up into a small ball and dab it gently on the stain. This absorbs the lipstick, leaving your clothes looking as good as new. Moving on to hack 2, the stuck zipper. Nothing ruins a day faster than a stuck zipper. To fix this, simply grab a graphite pencil and rub the pencil tip on the teeth of the zipper. The graphite acts as a dry lubricant, freeing your zipper and restoring your outfit and mood. Hack 3, the deodorant marks. We've all had those moments when we're in a rush and accidentally leave deodorant marks on our clothes. Here's the solution. Use the foam cover of a dry clean hanger to rub off the deodorant marks. The foam absorbs the deodorant, leaving no trace of it on your clothes. Hack 4, the stretched out sweater. That favorite sweater of yours has lost its shape? Don't worry, a simple solution awaits. Soak the sweater in a mixture of water and hair conditioner for about 20 minutes. Rinse it out and let it dry flat. This process helps the fibers in the sweater to contract, bringing it back to its original shape. Our final hack, hack 5, the scuffed shoes. For leather or faux leather shoes, use a little bit of moisturizer to remove the scuffs. Apply a small amount, rub it in with a soft cloth, and watch those scuffs disappear. For suede shoes, a nail file will do the trick. Gently rub the file over the scuff and it will vanish. In this video, we've covered 5 essential fashion hacks. We've learned how to remove lipstick stains with a piece of white bread, how to fix a stuck zipper with a graphite pencil, how to get rid of deodorant marks using the foam cover of a dry, clean hanger, how to restore a stretched out sweater using hair conditioner, and how to remove scuffs from shoes using moisturizer or a nail file. Remember, fashion doesn't have to be hard. With these hacks in your arsenal, you can navigate any fashion problem with ease and confidence. So the next time you find yourself in a fashion pinch, don't panic. Just remember these hacks and you'll be just fine.